Okay, so I have added another feature which I just forgot to mention you in the last video. So I have added this custom menu in here. So if you will press this button, this is going to ask you if you want to update the formulas on this sheet, which is the name is 70390 GPUS. So this is this one. So if you are on this sheet and you will press yes, what this is going to do, this is going to update all the formulas on this sheet. And if you will press no, it's going to skip it. So if you will be on control sheet and run this function, it will ask you to run the sorry, it should ask, yeah, it will ask you for the first sheet. So if you will move this sheet right in here and then run it again. So this is just to mention you that this is the sheet on which the formulas are going to get updated. But obviously the control sheet doesn't have the formulas which we are using. So you can always press no. Why I made this way is that I'm sure that you are going to make change the name of this sheet. So just to keep this sheet for the first sheet on the left side, as soon as so far if the first sheet is this one, it's going to ask you to update the formula on the first sheet. So you can always press yes, and this will update all the formulas, right? So this is just to make sure that if someone unintentionally gets or accidentally gets deleted some formulas, you can always recover the formulas. The formulas are in here, the formulas on these formulas which I just made, and the formulas on uh, the GPU unit, and yeah, the cost, the gross revenues for all three machines. So I just made this just to make sure that if the formula gets disturbed unintentionally, you can always repair this, or anyone can repair this formula. So yes, this was the addition. Thank you.